Governor Wike is a man of many parts. But more importantly for us, he's a trailblazer for justice, fairness, and equity, not just in the South-South region, but in Nigeria at large. Governor Wike speaks the truth fearlessly, morning, afternoon, and night. He is constant in his belief in Nigeria. He is constant that all geographic regions of this country must have their fair share. He believes that nobody must be minimized, that all of us have a responsibility to sit on the table in the federation called Nigeria. We came here in solidarity to say thank you so much for being a proper friend and a great leader to us. When Governor Ayade eloped with our mandate to the APC, you made a promise to us that you will not leave us alone. Not because we are Liverpool, but because we are your friends and your brothers and your sisters. And since then up till today, you have not left us alone. You have demonstrated to us that although Ben Ayade leaves, you will give us a better equivalent of gubernatorial support. You have refused to have us intimidated. We have continued to stand because you stand by us. Our party, if anything, has grown exponentially. Cross-Riverians are happy that the PDP is still the party to beat. We want to assure you that this trend will continue because we are resolute and firm. We are trusted and tested, and we are ready to be with you. Like I said here earlier on, we believe in gratitude. Every proper human being should show gratitude. If you stand by us, we stand by you. Your Excellency, we have been following your trajectory, and I would like to be quoted. Nobody in the contemporary history of the People's Democratic Party has given more for this party to remain the same. Nobody has contributed more. Nobody has sacrificed more than Governor Wike has done. So when we see a palpable attempt to unify us, we must begin by unifying our party. Governor Wike has never said that we are leaving the PDP. He has not said he has left, but he's saying that for a party to be prim and proper, there must be justice within it. Gentlemen and ladies, this governor has been a good friend. This governor has not left us alone. This governor promises he will never leave us alone. Just today, I have the mandate to announce to you people that Governor Wike has approved for the empowerment of our party, for the purposes of the election, 25 brand new buses for PDP Cross River. Thank you very much.